Hi everybody, my name is Heavenly and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing Terrance and Phillip, the highly requested duo. And I'm really excited to see what they look like out of the box, especially since I have not unboxed any Canadian people. So let's just jump right into this. But before we jump right into this, I would just like to say I really appreciate if you could subscribe, since I'm really trying to get to 100k before my birthday. And when I get to 100k, I will be doing a 12-hour live stream. So stay tuned. And I'm gonna go take them out of the box. I will be right back. Okay, I am back and they are out of the box. And this is, again, this is my first time ever opening a Canadian, so it is very strange. So they definitely do the accurate, like, talking. Whoa, my name is Terrance. These are two separate pieces of head. And then there's like a spring connecting them. So you get a lot of kind of creative freedom there. And then the arms are attached to like the torso and not, or well, attached to like the literal front of the body and not over here. I don't know how to refer to that right now because I cannot think of words all of a sudden to be more cartoon accurate. So that is very also odd to look at in real life because they very much look like construction paper cutouts. Terrance, I noticed, also has, I don't know if you can see it too well, but Terrance has a really bad stain. Well, it's not like a stain, but it's more like just yellowing from being in the box for so long. So yeah, that was a bit of a shame. But that has happened before on some of the figures and I've been able to get it off. And it is very common with South Park figures and just figures in general that have been in the box for a really long time. So that's probably why it's better to unbox your figures than keep them in the box, because you will not get any of that like really bad staining or yellowing. And then the next one is Phillip, of course. And he's pretty much the same as Terrance. So like right here, right where his legs are, there is a hole, and then his legs can move around, but this is basically the range of motion that they can do. And then his arms have a pretty wide range of motions, like going from here all the way back down to here. And then they both came with stands, which is really helpful because they do not stand on their own. They do not, that is not a thing that either of them do. And then they also came with, and this is gotta be the most accurate accessory ever, fart clouds. I don't think that you could have a proper Terrance and Phillip without these, because yeah. And with these, you basically just put it into, there's like a hole right here, and you shove them in, and there you go. There you go. You got your Terrance and Phillip. Otherwise, that's pretty much all that I have to speak on when it comes to Terrance and Phillip. They're very well made. They look exactly like the cartoon, but 3D. And I think the face mechanism is very interesting. But I hope you all like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this video, then make sure to like this video and comment below that you like this video. Bye, everybody!